only those people can go those who have experience. The old people have experience to about politics, but about but we are talking just about youngster that youngster not have experience about politics. They also misuse them.
Yes. Okay, you have told about experience. So how the old people will get experience? First they will fresher only. They will become CM or matlab in like you have told that in old age they will get experience. So how will they will get experience from the earlier age also only from 25 to 26 years when they are youth. So they can participate in that so that they will get experience at the age of 50 to 60.
They will get experience by not their politician. They will get experience by many will by engineer, doctor also. When they are youth, they get knowledge about the world, what is happening in the world. And suppose if a doctor, he gets patient and he has every knowledge about the patient and his family and many things. If I do this, it will be the effect. And when it get old, it will be the politician, and it complete the responsibility of also youth and old age. When it old age, it get politician, and it has experience of peoples, and it can make our nation best.
But if he will in old age, if he will become politician, how the all the people of India will know him? Because if he is about 22 25 year old and he is youth, he enrolls him in politician, he start his career in politician. So till the age of 50 to 60 years, all the people of India and country will know him. But if he will start from that age, like 50 to 55 years, how will the country know that? And you have told that they will learn from doctor, engineers. They will only learn. But if you have if you want to play cricket, you don't. If you will watch it on LED, you don't learn. But if you will play, you learn. So if you learn about politics from other people, you know how to start it. But if you will start your career in politics, then you will only know that how you have to rule politics.
Everybody will clap for it.
He says youth participate in politics, but before times not politics, but in village, मतलब five punch in village. He is a very old and मतलब experienced people, and he मतलब उनको भगवान के समान मतलब
They were
they were
known as the god.
known as a god, but he all villagers satisfied his मतलब एक्शन जो भी एक्शन लेते थे वो उनसे सहमत होते थे वो.
All people were satisfied with their action,
All people were satisfied this
with their decision.
the decision, but because he is a experienced and youth people mind is a very मतलब वो
बच्चे
शार्प होता है मतलब और
Immature.
मतलब गर्म दिमाग के होते हैं मतलब
They are immature.
mature and he gives a very dangerous action and
Instant action.
and जो मतलब हमारी मतलब
What is not good for the society.
not good for society but
Youth
old person gives जो भी एक्शन लेते हैं मतलब
they ponder a lot before taking any action.
एक्शन ही मतलब
They ponder a lot
ponder a lot any मतलब
before taking any action.
before any action
Taking
taking any action and he is a very
They think a lot about the like consequences, goods, bads, pros and cons. But youth does not think; they just take action.
Actually, Rotas said that youth is not knows very well politics. Do you watch Toilet movie and do you watch Batman movie? You say that some time ago, Punch are take all decision to related all the things about the villagers, but their decision is not logically. But they just follow the old things like if our
Whatever they have experienced, they just took decision on the basis of that.
that and the youth generation does practical work more than the theoretical work, and it gives a effective result. So that's why youth is very good for politics. But when we talk about knowledge, so the youth can get knowledge by the old people who aware the politics. So that's why youth should join the politics.
That you said that old man have no knowledge. Okay.
No.
No knowledge.
ना ये जो कह रही है मतलब तुम तो कह रहे हो कि बूढ़े लोग हैं ऐसे मतलब हम कह रहे हैं कि बूढ़े लोगों से नॉलेज है, ये कह रहे हैं कि जो आज की जनरेशन है वहाँ भी नॉलेज है यूथ का जो वो भी वहाँ भी जाना चाहिए.
Wait. Okay, I know. You said old age never knowledge. Okay. Okay. यही तो बोल रहे हैं मतलब उनको भी knowledge नहीं होती ना.
अरे नहीं कि यूथों को जो बड़े ज़्यादा ओल्ड एज वाले होते हैं उनसे लेनी चाहिए.
Yes, of course, because youngster started politics journey. Okay, everyone misuse this because force others murder और उसके पास धमकियां आती हैं उसके पास, ठीक है, उसको दबाव मतलब इतना प्रेशर आता है ना वो बैठ जाता है कि सारा वहीं पे वो ओल्ड मैन नहीं बैठते उनको नॉलेज होती है. मोदी जी एक सेकंड में सर मैं हिंदी में एक्सप्रेस इंग्लिश में नहीं कर पा रहा बिकॉज इतने सारे पॉइंट मेरे पास मैं इंग्लिश की वजह से नहीं बोल पा रहा. हाँ, मोदी जी 2 बार प्राइम मिनिस्टर बन चुके हैं. राहुल गांधी बना है नहीं बना. पप्पू बोलते हैं उसको पप्पू. पप्पू बोलते हैं. एवरीवन calls पप्पू. Who is पप्पू? पप्पू is Rahul Gandhi. Who is a legend? Legend is a Modi ji. Modi. हर हर मोदी घर घर मोदी. Yes.
Rahul Gandhi is a very intelligent and educated person. He educated in a कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी पढ़ा हो जब मैंने बताया
Oxford.
Oxford University is a मतलब very brilliant and very most popular university, but
Best
he knows,
in the world.
He knows politics. He not experienced in politics, but Narendra Modi is a old politics man. He is a very more experienced in politics. He take decision. मतलब सोच समझ कर. He takes
With thinking.
with thinking.
He thinks a lot before taking any action.
He thinks a lot before take any action, and not proper use youth in politics, but old and elder people.
I didn't get his last point.
Last point.
Yeah, I बोलो. When Rahul Gandhi entered in politics, he is a youth, and now he is getting mad. He said that I will make a machine. If you put a candle in it, you will get a gold.
Rahul Gandhi did not say this thing. Narendra Modi said.
Rahul Gandhi ने कहा.
Rahul Gandhi justified what Narendra Modi said. No, wait, no. Wait, no, beta, understood. Narendra Modi said this thing, and Rahul Gandhi, he justified what Narendra Modi said. What he is talking about, the media manipulated the whole country that Rahul Gandhi said this thing. Rahul Gandhi did not say. He was just repeating the words of Narendra Modi. Beta, you have not watched the real video, go and watch it
सर कहाँ पर?
on YouTube.
नहीं बोलो समझ गई क्या बोल रहा है तो समझा दी बात समझा ना फिर
You said he didn't have this is experience, and Narendra Modi has experience. Narendra Modi also has experience because he has done. He has started and from young age he has analyzes and he has started and he has done too many things before he was the CM of Gujarat. So after that he became the president of India. He had done so many practical things that after that he had so many experience. After that he became a prime minister. Before that he didn't have even a single experience before becoming a CM. And everyone, if a youth is stepping in the politics, he also analyze the rounds that what is going on. If a youth is stepping in the politics, he should do the things that will change our India, because youth has a mindset that should change the world. He has the knowledge about technology, how to change their country, how to develop their country, and what is good for their country.
हो गया इंगे पेपर
On these days, Indira Gandhi is started political journey. Teenagers started teenager. Okay, teenagers to old age. Okay, India has had many product, मतलब low budget. Okay, it's okay. Rajiv Gandhi against in public. So Indira Gandhi बम से उड़ा दिया, उसको नॉलेज नहीं थी. उसको राहुल गांधी को वो कौन था, वो मरा था जो बम से प्लेन में,
Rajiv Gandhi.
He know they have no knowledge.
Okay, you are saying Rajiv Gandhi had no knowledge about politics, so he was assassinated.
Indira Gandhi about politics very good, because Rajiv Gandhi against Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi, okay, you can go on your table, okay, and so many time, boom. Boom. Rajiv Gandhi is boom. Where is the Rajiv Gandhi? Rajiv Gandhi is boom. Okay. On these days suddenly over and come Pappu is here. Okay, Pappu. Okay, Pappu is here. Muslim. Wait, Hindu and Muslim war. Every day, anytime. जातिवाद मतलब हर वक्त. Okay. एक नारा, you eat and you have eat. खाओ और खाने दो.
Eat and let us eat.
हाँ, exactly. अरे राव होता है, ऐसा सुनेगा. खाओ भी बोल और खाने दो. Okay. आप यंगस्टर की बात कर रहे हो. इंदिरा गांधी, she is legend in India's country. Okay. not Rajiv Gandhi, no, not Nehru Gandhi. Okay, no legend अगर legend होते तो उनकी प्रतिमा बनती like Iron Man.
What was your point? Can you come to your point? Just give me the specific point that you have.
What do you want to speak? What do you want to speak?
Yes, Pappu, he's Pappu.
अरे सुनो
अरे सुन तो लो।
प्लीज
इंडिया में कहावत है जो डॉक्टर है उसका बेटा भी डॉक्टर ही बनेगा, है ना? दैट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है उसकी जो फैमिली थी ना, ही इज बिलोंग पॉलिटिकल्स पॉलिटिकल फैमिली, बट ये भी तो हो सकता है कि उसकी मतलब कि उसको ज्ञान है नहीं उस चीज का, बट उसको उसमें धकेला जा रहा है सच एग्जांपल देता हूँ, सचिन है, ही इज गुड क्रिकेटर, हाँ सचिन तेंदुलकर है, but his son not play cricket because he is not good cricketer, only वो अपनी टीम में खेल रहा है,
Okay.
है ना? but he तो आप ये नहीं कह सकते, तो आप ये नहीं कह सकते, you can't speak कि all youngers are not the idea in politicals.
Okay, bro.
है ना? And
So Rahul Gandhi, why?
दिस बॉय मतलब इस भाई की इंग्लिश अच्छी है, तो जो इसका सन मतलब जो सन होएगा तो उसकी वो इंग्लिश उसकी सही ना हो तो पर उसे उसमें वो ही नहीं है, ज्ञान नहीं है उसमें, मतलब वो इंटरेस्ट नहीं रहता उस चीज में, हैं? तो ये तो कोई बात नहीं हुई ना कि उसको बेफालतू की आगे कैसे आगे कर दिया जाए।
Okay, I can understand your feelings and your excitement. So why call everyone? So please vote me. Vote me. जिताओ हम अब की बार कांग्रेस सरकार. So अगर होता सुनो एक सेकंड एक सेकंड Pappu is call everyone. Give me vote. Not Pappu's sister, not give me vote. She is not interested in political.
Yes.
उसको धकेला जा रहा है, पप्पू को नहीं धकेला जा रहा. He's all everyone. Give me our votes. Not Priyanka Gandhi. Told everyone give me vote. No, she is not interested in political. He is interested in political. Pappu interested in political, but Pappu not have knowledge in political.
मोदी ने जो मोदी साहब
Yes, listen. Yes. Okay. Yes, no. बोले ना?
इंग्लिश बेटा, नो हिंदी नो पॉइंट।
Okay, sir. Okay.
करण स्पीक
तुम पर रही हमारी
Please.
Yes, तुम पर रही अगर हमारी दया तो जीत जाएगी। अगर तुम्हारी मायावती हुआ
चल रहे ना चल रहे हैं.
I am having one point. Listen.
अरे
5 मिनट्स है, आप ही बोल रहे थे अभी आप ही तो बोल रहे थे 5 मिनट्स थे।
There nowadays in our country there are many rape cases in our country, and our political leaders, if the youth will be political leaders, as he know all the situation of country, so if the youth will become political leader, he can take direct action. He can take direct action of that victim, because we does not have any law of that rape case.
Nowadays, Dushyant Chautala, oh भैया समझो. Nowadays, Dushyant Chautala is a मुख्यमंत्री in
हरियाणा।
Haryana. He says मतलब बनने से पहले
बिफोर बीइंग अ डिप्टी सीएम,
before being a deputy CM, he say मतलब बहुत से मतलब वादे किए थे, he says
ही promised many things.
he promised many things कि मैं किसानों के support, I am supporting farmers and I am supporting farmers, but he goes in, he participates in politics. He live in our grandfather and father in jail, but he not knowledge in
About politics.
our politics. And nowadays Yogi Adityanath in Mukhyamantri in UP, but he clean in very मतलब वो गुंडागर्दी मतलब
All the goons. He finished all the crime and criminals from UP.
पर जो वो है क्या बोलते हैं उसको, इसका वो साइकिल का निशान है, उसका नाम क्या है?
Akhilesh Yadav.
Before Akhilesh Yadav is a Mukhyamantri in UP. This time with a many criminal case and rape cases and मतलब चोरी डकैती का मतलब बहुत ही वो थे cases. But nowadays Yogi Adityanath is a Mukhyamantri in UP, but he is a very
He is taking many actions against crime.
Many excellent anytime, and